Welcome back to the channel. So before we get into this Roobet crash video, anyone that uses my link, I send out $5 every video. So here's a guy, Fat Idiot, that's just his name. As you can see here, send them $5 just for using my link. So use it, and I send out tips basically every single day, so you'd be silly not to. So as you can see here, thank you for using my link. I'll send this here and then we'll get on with the video. So there you go, sent. Your tip has been sent. So thanks for using my link, and you'll find it first line in the description. So as you can see here, this is Crash, offered by Roobet. So this was made famous basically by Steve Will Do It. It's a really fast growing platform. Just before I go any further, I will say it is a gambling platform, so make sure you are wise and don't bet what you can't afford to lose. So please bear that in mind. You can see here I'm working with quite a small bankroll of $92. Been building that up slowly. You can see from my last video it was 30 odd, I think, off memory. So basically this is a really sort of low risk. So what I'm going to do is automate it. This is 0.001 of a dollar, so pretty low risk. We're going to set an auto cash out for two times. So every time it hits 2 times, it'll pay out. You want to go down to on loss and select increase by, and 100%. I do 101 just to make a wee bit of extra profit every time it goes further. So it's just my wee tip. So you can see here. I'll click start auto bet here. I've missed this one here, but I'm just trying to get my balance in. So you can see here that basically what happens is you whatever bet you want, but if you're following this method, you'll use there that 0.001, or as your bankroll increases, you can go to 0.01. Just bear in mind that every time we're increasing by 100% on lose, so obviously your stake will go up by 100% every time. So please bear that in mind. With using a bankroll of $100, you can afford up to, I think it's 16 losses in a row before you would lose your $100 bankroll. So obviously if you bring that up to 0.01, you'll reduce that probably closer to 10. Haven't ran the numbers on it, but you can see here basically what happens is whatever you set your bet amount as, the game starts and it just keeps going up, and this will just crash, hence the name, at any random number. This can go way up past 1,000. Highest I've personally seen is 2,500 multiplier. So you can see there we lost there, but because we've lost and with that multiplier on, our stake is now times by 100%. So for example, you'd have 0.002. So we'll go again, and this is actually the third one, so it'll be 0.004. We lost again, so now we're up to 0.008, and the stake will just keep timesing itself until we get a winner, and that locks in the profit. So we'll just wait here until we get a wee winner. Another loser, so now we're up to 0.016, that'll be. So we're basically just biding our time here, waiting for our next winner. So we're getting pretty close here. Bingo, 2. So there you go. So all we need is that that 2.00. You can set it to 2.01 or 2.02 if you want to be a wee bit different and try and claim back that extra 1 or 2% profit. But 2's been working pretty well. I have set my laptop there to not go to sleep, and this has been running overnight. It doesn't make huge amounts of money. So basically what I'm doing at the minute, this is like stage 1. You're trying to build up that bankroll slowly and surely. Now, you're not going to be rich overnight, and you don't really want to be trying that because it will crash and you will lose money. So what you want to do is build your bankroll up till you get a couple of $100 maybe, then flick it to a higher stake, so 0.01 rather than 0.001. So another good thing here is that you get rewards. You can see there I just claimed completely free money. So you can see at the minute I'm only on level 1 as such. You get basically it's not or 5% of your bonus is paid to you, so it's really worthwhile doing, to be honest. So if we just keep letting that tick, you can see here this is just winners. And yeah, that bonus, you just claim your cash back. It's really, really good. So thanks for watching, and remember, for free tips, join up using my link in the description and subscribe for the next video.